Hey, this is your girl, Madam Mika, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be attempting some boho box braids. It's the first time that I've ever tried it by myself. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so as I said, I am going to be attempting some boho box braid by myself. The first time I'm ever doing it. I'm gonna just talk about the product that I have gotten to do these box braids. So all of my products, they are from Amazon. I got a pack of 12-inch, it's 12-inch 1B regular braiding here, and it's from Dorsani hair from Amazon. Um, they came packaged just like this, and I got 8 of these in the pack that I bought. I also got some unwefted human hair. I believe it's deep wave. It's 24 inches. I got a pack of 3 bundles and an extra one. So as I said, it's a 24-inch. I got it from Amazon. 50 gram, 24-inch deep wave, right? Deep wave bulk human hair for braiding. And I already went ahead as well and I pre-prepped my hair. So I wanted some, I would say that these are kind of small to medium. And I already went ahead and I pre-prepped it. Let me just turn around so you can see. I am going to be doing it in a crochet style. It's going to be done individually. I prefer to do crochet because it grips tighter for me, closer to my roots, versus if I do it individually, like braiding, putting it in. So this is just my preference. Everybody does their thing a little bit differently, but this is what I prefer to do. So this is where we're gonna start, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. So let's see. All right, so my first row is done. Looking too bad.
Okay, so right here, I am just separating the curly hair and the straight braiding hair to make the process a bit easier for me. Sometimes it may take a little bit longer, especially if you don't pre-prep separate the hair. It's a little bit tedious to be doing it, but it does make the process a whole lot easier once you start to do your separation before you get into the actual braiding process. So that's just what I'm trying to do now, just to make it a little bit easier for me.
All right, I'm just about halfway finished so far. So I am going to turn so you can see the back of it.
Okay, so right here, I had to go on the road and come back. I changed my clothes and everything, and I just started to go at it again. Um, I don't know about anybody else, but the center, or for me, the center of my hair tends to be a little bit harder for me to maneuver my hand around to do it. So it takes a little while for me, especially when I'm tired. And this style does take a while.
Alrighty, so I am finally done. I like it. I'm just gonna use some water and some conditioner to go through it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is finally done. I actually went ahead and I sprayed it down with some conditioner and some water. It's a little bit damp now, but once it's all dried, I'm gonna put some pictures in to give you how it looks when it's a little bit drier. I'm just gonna turn so you can see, hopefully see from the back and from the side as well, how it came out. All right, so that is how it looks. A little 360. So as I said, I'm gonna insert my pictures for when it's drier, but I thank you for watching.